New stuff. This is what I bought. A mechanical switch keyboard. This is Keychron K4. I'm using brown switch, so the sound would be like this. Wow, the sound is so good. And also add a palm rest, and to be honest, this is some quality stuff. And that's it for this part only. The second part will be about Python. Python again. We are back to this book, Automate the Boring Stuff with Python. And yes, not yesterday, but in the last video, I told you that I finished the chapter about using Python to work on Excel spreadsheets, and I've completed the whole chapter. Basically, what I've learned are how to read data, how to write data, how to modify the style, how to build a chart. Basically, these are what I have. And right now, I cannot come up with a project that I can only apply what I've learned in this chapter. What I mean by that, for example, in the last chapter I finished was about web scraping. Basically, taking data from the web or use a module synonym to mimic the user movement. For example, entering some data or mouse click. And after I finished that chapter, I immediately came up with a project that can solve my problems. But for this one right now, I don't have one. But yesterday night I have some ideas, and that is was about I came up with a idea for a project that can facilitate my video making process. Basically, is automate some of my tasks. For example, when I want to make a video, I will prepare for the video. For example, write some script. Sometimes I don't, but this is not the point. I will make the video. I will edit it. Now I cannot write a program to edit my video. If you want to see one, check out Devin Crawford. He has a video about this subject. Program to edit this video. Awesome, very awesome, and go check it out. But right now, I haven't attained that level yet. I'm just a total beginner. So I think I would come up with some or write some programs to do other tasks. For example, after I have a video, I need to update because I create a not database, but a Excel spreadsheet to store the details of each episode. I will record the episode number, I have the title, I have the URL, the episode URL, YouTube URL. I have the tags, TAG, tag. I need some tags because it is for my later use. Because let's say in the future I have my own website and I want to create a category, then at that time I just need to use the tag to sort the videos out. And because I have the URL at the same time, I can just everything will be in place once I do some search, some sorting thing, and then I have all the videos in the same with the same category. That's what I want. That's why I need to tag my episode. So I have a Excel spreadsheet containing all the details of my episodes, and I want to write a program that whenever I have finished my video, the product, I want to write a program that can help me upload the episode, that can convert the MP4 file into MP3 so that I can upload the MP3 to the podcast, which is to upload it on the web. And at the same time, another task would be update my database. And also I need to create some thumbnails. So if it is possible, I think it would be great if I can write a program that does all these tasks. Again, update my database, upload my video to YouTube, convert my video into audio, upload the audio to the website, to the podcast website, and create my thumbnails and more. Generate the description, YouTube video description, or the podcast notes. Because each time when I create an episode, upload an episode, I need to manually type the same thing. Not type. Sometimes I don't type. Sometimes I just copy the episode notes from the previous episode and paste it in the current one. But I still want to skip this step, so it will be all would be in automation, and that's my goal. If I have finished this book, because I realize that there's so much good stuff in this book. Like there are some chapters that I'm really excited to learn after, because I've just finished the chapter about Excel. The next one will be about file, working with reading files, writing files. I think basically it will be just text files, but I don't know if the book will cover other types of files. But anyway, reading, writing files, how to manage files, and the next chapter I'm going to read would be, again, controlling the keyboard and mouse with graphic user interface automation. I'm so excited, and you will see, and that's it.